You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce the name of the former emperor of Ethiopia. If you want to learn more names from this part of history, make sure to stay tuned. I've got more videos for you that you'll definitely want to learn from and listen to. Let's hear the local pronunciation, Amharic pronunciation. Haile Selassie. Haile Selassie. Now, in English, it's generally not pronounced exactly that way. It doesn't have this sound. It's pronounced Haile Selassie. Haile Selassie. It's easy. Or the more local pronunciation, correct pronunciation, Haile Selassie. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.